see what we got first. Okay. First thing we have is our air filter for our intakes. Intake coupler, silicone coupler, and clamps. That's a big cup. Go Fast Bits electronic boost controller. Yeah, installing this should be fun. It's pretty easy. And next we have, seems like some hardware. So I have my oil feed, looks like, and possibly an oil drain as well. Yeah, oil feed line, intake piping for the turbo. Since I'm running recirculating blow-off valve, recirculating diverter valve, I'm gonna have to get another flange like welded here for it to dump the extra boost or the extra air in the intake system. And then we have, what are we looking at here? Okay, so this is, oh, there's my heat shield for the valve cover. And then we have, this is another silicone coupler. This one goes to the compressor outlet. Yeah, compressor outlet to the charge pipe. Our BK1 downpipe, or O2 housing, catalyst O2 housing, with 2 bungs. And then I should also have the BK2 adapter, so it fits onto my, here. So this is, oh, that's big boy, that's heavy. This is our manifold. Is it gorgeous? This thing is heavy. Oh my god, wow, okay. So yeah, here's our turbo manifold, T3 flange, and then there's the wastegate, wastegate flange as well. And then we have a Tau 44 millimeter wastegate. Yeah. Wastegate dump tube. Wow, it's looking nice. Flange looks beefy. Yeah. Yeah, it looks dope. She shoots some nice flames through that. Then this should be our wastegate. That baby out. Hey, looks nice. Tau 44 millimeter wastegate. Then next up we have the biggest of them all. Let's put that back in here. Oh, that's heavy. Woo. Damn. Okay, so it's already got the BK2 the adapter already on it. Let's see if I can pick this up with one hand. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, gasket's already on. Oh my god. Damn, that was gorgeous. So this is a AGP 5457 4-inch compressor housing. Should be a 4-inch compressor housing, I believe. And then we have a 0.82 AR. So should be capable up to 500 wheel. Yeah, it looks very nice actually. Looks very, very nice. And then I got a turbo blanket for it over there. And then also, yeah, we got the T51 R mod compressor housing. So it's gonna should sound insane. Should sound really, really good. I can't wait to install this. But I gotta get a clutch first. Wow, this is heavy. I gotta get a clutch first before we put this in. Then we slap it in and then we get it tuned by alpha speed. But this thing is awesome.